Donald Trump wants the world to see his aggressive efforts to arrest migrants in the country's interior. His government says it's deported an average of more than 1,300 people a day. That includes 3 planes full of Venezuelan men accused by the U.S. of being gang members and sent to a notorious prison in El Salvador in March. The partner of 41-year-old Elder Torres Herrera says he entered the U.S. legally through a UN refugee program that confirmed he had no criminal record and put him on a plane to Houston. But after landing, he was still arrested by ICE, apparently because of a tattoo.
He isn't in any gang. The International Organization for Migration brought him because they knew he isn't a criminal.
Torres Herrera was among the 238 men deported to El Salvador's prison for terrorists, where Human Rights Watch has voiced concerns of abuse. That's also where Kilmar Abrego Garcia was deported to. The U.S. government would later admit his deportation was a mistake because a judge had determined his life would be in danger in El Salvador. The U.S. Supreme Court says the deportation of Abrego Garcia was illegal and has ordered the government to facilitate his return to the U.S. There's little evidence that's happening, though. The court has also temporarily barred further deportations under the Alien Enemies Act, the 18th century U.S. law used by Trump to deport alleged members of foreign gangs with little due process. Meanwhile, Trump's State Department has revoked the legal status of more than 300 foreign students, claiming they are national security risks. They include Mahmoud Khalil, a U.S. permanent resident arrested over his role in protests at Columbia University. He remains in detention as his legal advocates fight against a deportation order.
We have to remember what Khalil said. He stands behind bars with hundreds of people who have not seen their day in court.
I won an election based on the fact that we get him out.
100 days in, Trump says his government is doing what he calls an amazing job. Heidi, Zhou, Castro, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.